Conditioning hair mask for curly hair at home. Dilute a tablespoon of honey with 9 tablespoons of water in a bowl and stir until well combined. Next, massage the diluted honey into your scalp and work it through your hair until it is covered from the root to the tip. Then, leave the honey on your hair for 3 hours, and wear a shower cap to avoid a mess. In the final step, rinse the mask out with cool, lukewarm water and shampoo. For best results, use this conditioning hair mask once a week. This honey and water mask is a great conditioning mix, especially if you have curly or kinky hair. Is honey safe for hair? Honey is known for its high nutrient value and its many health benefits. The major issue with honey is it tends to stick very fast and could remove hair when pulled. Using water or oils to make honey creamier can prevent this. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.